guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayan, mamamasyal po tayo ngayon. Aakyat tayo ng bundok, mag-hike po tayo. Kaya samahan niyo po ako. At pupunta po tayo sa isa sa pinaka the best place dito sa Macau, ang Ama Goddess Statue. Kaya tara guys. Pero bago lahat yan, sa mga hindi po nakasubscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para kayo po ay updated at ma-notify na rin po sa lahat ng aking gagawing bagong videos. Let's go!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna...
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, magkalapit lang po ang Tin Ho Village. Kaya eto, nag-drop by na tayo dito sa Ama Goddess Statue. Yan po ang ating pupuntahan ngayon. At hindi na po ako nag-hike paakyat. Talagang hihingalin po ako, kaya sumakay na lang po ako ng kotse at hinatid na lang ako dito. At puntahan po natin. Tara! Ayan guys. Ayan, yung taas, no? Ayan. Imagine 500 tons. Ayan. 19.99 meters ang taas po niyan. So, naglagay sila ng mga 120 marbles, white marbles. Yung face niya, yan. Isang buong marble po yan. Ayan, completed way back 2003, yan. Ayan. So, ang lawak, 6,200 square meter. So, yung Tin Ho Village na pinuntahan natin kanina ay 7,000 square meters. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan. Tignan natin taas. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan. Tignan natin kung ano ang ayan, Goddess Ama, sculptured by Liu Mangnin, calligraphy of Chen Shifa. Ayan. Ayan po yan. Grabe taas, ano. Pinaka world tallest statue of Ama. Yan po. Free entrance po dito guys. So, talagang mag-hike lang po kayo kasi nasa taas po siya ng Daishi. Yeah, Daishi Mountain. May mga pangilan-nilan din pong mga tourists. Mas marami po ang pumupunta dito, mga hindi pa po pandemic. Ayan. So, sa hapon, masarap magtambay. Ayan, may mga tourists. Ayan. At ito po, napalibutan po to ng dagat. Ayan. Diyan po kami nagtatambay. Diyan sa dagat na dyan. Diyan kami nagsuswimming din. Ayan po. Kung nakita nyo yung ibang vlogging ko, dyan po kami nagpupunta. Yan, Haksa Beach. Ayan po. Ayan, may mga nakaupo, mga napagod sa pag-hike. At tignan natin, ano to? Contractor Foshan Foreign Economic Trade and Import and Export Corporation of Guangdong, China. Ayan. Yung mga ayan po, tignan natin. Ayan, napakataas. Yeah. Ayan po. Puro marble po yung mga upuan dito. Ayan. Sarap magtambay dito sa hapon at napakalamig. Ayan. Ayun na po. Ayan naman po yung Grand Caloocan Hotel. Ayan, doon. Pwede po kayong mag-ano doon. Ayan. So, ito po ang pwede po kayong mag-trail, Caloocan Trail. Ayan, tignan nyo guys. So, ito naman po yung mga history kung paano po ginawa. Ayan. Ama was born to the Ling fishing family in Fujian province in the year of AD 960. She was a gentle, beautiful maiden who demonstrated an admirable virtues and sacred powers from childhood. She dedicated her life to guiding the sailors and merchants, even rescuing them from stormy waters. She has been worshipped from centuries, and even nowadays her kind deeds are remembered in the provinces of Fujian and Guangdong. Okay, so meaning the port of Amma, Macau. Ayan po. So, ang gumawa nito guys ay 120 sculptors worked for 8 months to produce it. Ayan guys, imagine that. 120 sculptors. Ayan guys, time to go home. At salamat sa inyong pagsama sa aking pamamasyal ngayon araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood sa isa sa mga tourist spot po dito sa Macau. Ito po ang Ama Goddess statue. Yan po. Yan. At napakaganda po ang surroundings. Nakikita po nyo ang buong Taipa, Macau. Yan. At may mga kasama akong kunwaring nagtuturist. Ayan po. At free entrance lang po yan guys. Libre hike. Ayan po. At dito matatagpuan sa Estrada de Alto de Caloocan. Ayan po. Thank you guys! At sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na, mag-like and share. Bye!
A few moments later.
Sunog ang aking balat. Tanghaling tapat. At maglalakad na po ako pababa. Hindi na po ako susunduin. Ayan. Magkalapit lang po yung Tinho Village. Ayan. Pababa. Mas madali po yung pababa kaysa yung paakyat. Ayan. Ayan po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo. Magkalapit lang po. Ayan yung pinuntahan ko kanina. Ang Tinho Village. Ayan. Ayan po. Ayan. Kaya tara guys. Bye!